Right now, someone you know is doing better than you at something. And a part of your brain just clenched. You didn't choose that reaction. It happened before you even had the thought consciously. That feeling has a name, jealousy, and the real reason you feel it is far stranger than insecurity. Your brain didn't build jealousy to make you miserable. It built it to keep you alive. Go back 200,000 years. You're not scrolling a feed. You are standing in a small band of maybe 30 people. Everyone you will know for your entire life. Just this group, your group. And your survival depends entirely on your position inside it. Who eats first? Who gets protected in a raid? Who gets chosen as a mate? All of it is decided by rank, not money, not followers, rank. So when someone else in your group gained status, food, or attention, that wasn't just their win. It was your potential loss. Every resource is finite. Every mate is finite. Every calorie is finite. If they rise, you might fall. Your brain evolved to track that shift in real time and to make it feel unbearable, so you'd act on it immediately. That's the machinery still running inside you today. Psychologist David Buss found that jealousy activates most sharply around threats to status and romantic bonds because both were tied directly to reproductive survival in ancestral environments. Losing a mate to a rival wasn't just heartbreak. It could mean losing your genetic future entirely. That's why jealousy doesn't feel like a mild inconvenience. It feels like an emergency. Here's where it gets stranger. Jealousy isn't one single feeling. It's a warning system with different triggers, all wearing the same face. There's mate jealousy, someone flirting with your partner. Old, sharp, immediate, because in the ancestral world, a rival wasn't hypothetical. He was standing right there at your fire. There's status jealousy. A co-worker gets the promotion you wanted. This one burns slower but longer because rank once determined access to nearly everything. And there's a third kind researchers rarely name out loud. Sibling jealousy. Psychologist Judy Dunn's research on sibling relationships found that children show visible jealousy responses as early as infancy, before they even have language for it. That's not spoiled. That's ancient competition for a caregiver's limited attention. 3 different triggers, one shared circuit. Now here's the twist that changes everything. Jealousy is not the opposite of love, it's proof of investment. Anthropologist Sarah Hrdy has argued that protective behavior toward mates and offspring is deeply woven into primate social structures because those bonds were once life or death investments. You don't feel jealous over things you don't care about. Nobody feels a flicker of jealousy watching a stranger get promoted at a company they have never heard of. The sting only appears where the stake is real, which means every time jealousy hits you, it's actually your brain confirming something important to you, uncomfortable but honest. So why does it feel so shameful now? Because the world changed speed, and your brain didn't get the memo. In the ancestral world, your competition was maybe 30 people for your entire life. Today, you compare yourself to thousands of curated highlight reels a week. Vacations you didn't take, promotions you didn't get, relationships that look flawless because you're only seeing the outside. Your ancient jealousy circuit was built for a tribe of 30. You're now running it against millions. No wonder it feels constant. The hardware is ancient, the input has exploded. And there's one more twist. Jealousy isn't just about what you lack. Researcher Leon Festinger proposed that humans evaluate themselves primarily by comparing against others, not against some fixed standard. Jealousy was never really about the object itself. It was always about rank, about where you stand relative to someone else. In a group, your brain still believes you can't leave. That's the part that stings the most. Not the loss itself, the comparison. So the next time that tight, hot feeling rises in your chest when someone else succeeds, don't rush to call yourself petty. You're not broken, you're not shallow. You are running 400,000-year-old software in a world that generates more comparisons in one scroll than your ancestors saw in a lifetime. The feeling isn't a flaw, it's a signal. It's telling you exactly what you value and exactly where you feel exposed. Someone you know is doing better than you at something right now, and your brain just clenched again, but this time you know why. It's not weakness. It's 400,000 years of survival wiring, still trying in its own clumsy way to protect you.